Welcome to Kulfi Forms. It's a spreadsheet add-on that you can install and use its form in Google Spreadsheet for free. Go to Spreadsheet, open a new blank, rename it, click Add Once, Kulfi Forms, load from template. Then there are 4 elements that you will use after choosing any template. Settings, and here are a variety of settings that you can change. Questions, and here feel free to add or change the questions. Responses, and here the place where the form responses are stored. And the last element is dashboard, and here you can view the chart of responses. Then click here, get the link, paste it, and send it to those from whom you want to collect responses. See you after this quick intro. I'll show you today how to add different types of questions. Here from question type, I'll select timestamp. Right here when form was submitted. It's hidden, will not shown on the screen, but it records the date and time of when the form was submitted. Another type is file. I'll write here, please upload your file. If you want to allow them upload only audios, you can write here audio, or maybe you want audio and video. You even can write PDF or document file, so feel free to add wherever you want. Hope that was helpful. Don't forget to install the add-on, and thanks for watching Kulfi Forms.